this episode of FUM0109 machining, we are going to make the carriage stop for my lathe. I have one, but it's not very good. There are some issues with that one. It doesn't have adjustments any kind, and it's really cumbersome to get into place. So I would like to have something that is very quick to put into place, has good adjustments, and well, that's basically what a good carriage stop is all about. Of course it must be really rigid. First of all, we need a suitable piece of material to make this thing, so let's go into that one first. Well, back to the drawing board. All machining operations themselves were, if not perfect, but all right. But the design is faulty. Yeah. Let me show you. If and when I put this indicator here as designed, well, it goes there quite well. Well, everything seems to be all right, but and this is something I don't know why, but I always make this kind of mistakes. Now, this thread here, this other hole of this Swiss cheese, should be an adjusting screw for the stop. Well, if you look at this angle, like this, well, how do you put a screw there? It should be quite long. So it's blocked by this dial indicator. There you go. Well, it was sure, machining was really nice, and well, actually, for example, this dial indicator doesn't need any tightening screws. It's so perfect fit. So it stays in place without any, and it's also good that if you stumble into it, it goes away. Well, that was the major fault, but in addition to that, the tightening mechanism here, this one, well, it works, yeah, really well actually. It screws and there is a nice screw and anything. But when I put into the lathe, this one, no matter how hard I tighten it, by fingers of course, this shouldn't be tightened by tools, it will damage the vase and it will also be not very nice, so it still wobbles. So, well, what I have found out is that this type of tightening, what I have here, is wrong. Actually it should tighten on the V-groove, and the tightening force should come here under, not from the sideways but this way. So then it aligns itself first of all straight, doesn't wobble. It has a large surface here to tighten, and yeah, and then we can get rid of this back piece here. Well, there should be another type of tightening mechanism, something that tightens it from under. Unfortunately, that lathe doesn't have too much room here under, maybe only 10 millimeters. Here, well, that's enough, but I need to design a mechanism that actually pulls it down. Well, I'm not a guy who gives up. This I have learned a lot. In the next episode of Finno-Ugric machining, I will be redoing this one. This is well, crap. Well, maybe I can make something. No, well, yeah. Yahoo. Anyway, okay, I will not give up with this one. It's supposed to be an easy project. Yeah. Well, this has become my nemesis. So, okay, till the next episode, bye!